3 years and 2 weeks ago, the School for Peace was under an arson attack, and it was burnt down, mainly the classroom area and some of the office area. And I'm very excited. Now we are moving in to the new building of the School for Peace, which is 99% finished. You can see that the grand entrance of the School for Peace is still in work. This is Fatel.
Hi.
The heart and brain of the School for Peace, and her office is the first to stand, and we must have it fully operational.
Very good, very good.
This is the director's office. It's still in the moving phase, as you can see. This office is for the two coordinators. We can go to the classroom
Yeah,
area.
show me, show me.
Here we have a big classroom,
Great.
which tomorrow will host the environmentalist course. This is the main classroom. This can hold a dialogue of more than 30 people in a circle. And it's also a room which is viewed. What it means, there is a one directional mirror. The School for Peace is
Windows.
not only an activity operating organization, it is the most important organization to study and research and develop this field of dialogue. And one of the main tools is analyzing the dynamics of an encounter, of a meeting of dialogue. And this is done by viewing, and this is done by interviewing, and this is done by documenting meetings. And this room is one of the tools for that.
Very nice entrance hall, which
The hall
is bright and
also
nice.
multi-purpose, and it can be used for lectures and large events. It can hold up to 90 people, and that would be also very useful.